in Preah Vihear. Buckle up because this is going to be epic. Feeling that you're part of something much larger than yourself. It's a place where the past and present coexist in a delicate balance. The energy, you know? It's almost palpable. The air is thick with the presence of the past, and it's impossible not to be moved. A connection to the present and an adventure that will stay with you forever. Next up, we're diving headfirst into the Kulen Promtep Wildlife Sanctuary. This hidden gem in Cambodia is a treasure trove of natural beauty and biodiversity. It's a place where the wild things truly swim, roam, and thrive. This place is like stepping into a postcard, seriously. Imagine a landscape so picturesque that it feels like it was painted by the hands of a master artist. The lush green forests stretch as far as the eye can see, creating a verdant canopy that shelters countless species of flora and fauna. We're talking lush green forests, cascading waterfalls, and swimming holes that are so blue they look photoshopped. These natural swimming holes are like hidden jewels, inviting you to take a refreshing dip in their crystal-clear waters. The waterfalls, with their soothing sounds, create a serene atmosphere that is perfect for relaxation and reflection. But this place is more than just a pretty face. It's a living, breathing ecosystem that supports a diverse array of wildlife. The streams that meander through the forest provide life-giving water to both plants and animals, creating a delicate balance that has been maintained for centuries. It's home to a ton of endangered species like gibbons, sun bears, and clouded leopards. These creatures are not just surviving here, they are thriving thanks to the sanctuary's efforts to protect their natural habitats. Seeing a gibbon swing through the trees or a sun bear foraging for food is a reminder of the incredible biodiversity that exists in this corner of the world. We're talking about real-deal jungle cats, people. The elusive clouded leopard with its striking coat and stealthy movements is a sight to behold. These jungle cats are masters of their environment, blending seamlessly into the dense foliage as they go about their daily lives. Now I know what you're thinking. Jungle cats and swimming holes? That sounds like a recipe for disaster. But the reality is quite different. The animals here have learned to coexist with their environment, and the locals have developed a deep understanding of how to share these natural spaces safely. But trust me on this one. The locals have been swimming in these waters for centuries and they've got it down to a science. They know the best spots to take a dip where the water is calm and safe, and they have a profound respect for the wildlife that shares these spaces with them. They know where it's safe to swim, and they know how to respect the wildlife. This harmonious relationship between humans and nature is something truly special and worth experiencing firsthand. It's a testament to the balance that can be achieved when we live in harmony with the natural world. So if you're looking for a chance to get up close and personal with nature, this is the place to be. Whether you're an avid adventurer or someone seeking a peaceful retreat, Kulen Promtep Wildlife Sanctuary offers something for everyone. From hiking through the dense forest to swimming in the pristine pools, every moment here is an opportunity to connect with nature. Just be sure to pack your bug spray, because the mosquitoes here are no joke. These little critters can be relentless, but with the right precautions, you can enjoy your time in the sanctuary without any pesky interruptions. But seriously, this place is magical. It's the kind of place that feels almost otherworldly, where every corner you turn reveals a new wonder. The combination of natural beauty and the rich biodiversity makes it a truly unique destination. It's the kind of place where you can completely disconnect from the outside world and just be present in the moment. Whether you're meditating by a tranquil stream or simply soaking in the sights and sounds of the jungle, the sanctuary offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's the kind of place that makes you feel alive. The vibrant scenery, the sounds of wildlife, and the fresh, clean air all come together to create an experience that rejuvenates the soul. So come and explore the Kulen Promtep Wildlife Sanctuary, where the wild things swim and the spirit of adventure awaits. After you've left the temple behind. Chapter 4, Phnom Tabeng Natural Heritage Park, Nature's Waterpark. Alright, buckle up because we're about to enter a world of natural wonders at Phnom Tabeng Natural Heritage Park. This place is like Mother Nature decided to build her own water park. We're talking waterfalls galore, people. Big ones, small ones, ones you can swim under, ones you can jump off of. You name it, this place has got it. And the best part, it's practically deserted. You won't find any crowds here, just you and the sounds of the jungle. But it's not just about the waterfalls. This park is also home to some of the most incredible biodiversity in Cambodia. We're talking rare birds, exotic plants, and even the occasional elephant. So, whether you're a thrill seeker looking for your next adrenaline fix or a nature lover looking to escape the hustle and bustle, Phnom Penh has got something for everyone. Just be sure to pack your sense of adventure because this place is guaranteed to blow your mind. Chapter 5. SRAM, the village where time flows like water. Last but not least, we're taking you to SRAM, a village where time seems to flow a little differently. This place is all about slowing down, connecting with nature, and experiencing the simple life. We're talking about lazy afternoons spent swimming in the river, fishing for your dinner, and watching the sunset over the rice paddies. It's the kind of place where you can forget about your worries and just be present in the moment. But don't let the laid-back vibe fool you. This place is also home to some seriously stunning freshwater spots. We're talking about hidden waterfalls, crystal clear streams, and swimming holes that are so inviting you'll never want to leave. So, if you're looking for an authentic Cambodian experience, off the beaten path and full of heart, SRAM is the place to be. Just be sure to pack your sense of adventure, your appetite for delicious food, and your open heart. So there you have it, folks. 5 incredible freshwater wonderlands in Preah Vihear province, Cambodia. From ancient temples to hidden waterfalls, this place has got it all, and more. So what are you waiting for? Book that ticket, pack your bags, and get ready to experience the magic of Preah Vihear for yourself. It's an adventure of a lifetime. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures. Peace out.